Margie Brand. I'm Executive Director of Eco Ventures International. One of the things that we've become very aware of working in the development sector is the need for staff in the field to be more exposed to very practical ways of learning about market systems development. Things that can be applied easily in their programs, and also tools that can very clearly talk about different types of market systems development approaches and market facilitation tactics in order to implement these. The LEO project has developed a series of cartoons that are introducing different tactics and market development approaches that can be used to guide staff through ways to adapt and implement these in their own projects. Cartoons offer a very effective way to communicate messages. Cartoons are both simple, they can tell very deep messages without using a lot of text, without needing a lot of time, and they can also introduce humor into stories, which as we know is a particularly effective way for people to learn. We found the cartoon methodology to be particularly effective when we were testing various tools and approaches, because project staff were able to take short amount of time, be able to understand the stories and market facilitation strategies, rather than case studies which need to be read over a long period of time, which people often struggle to understand how they can adapt to their particular project contexts. The learning series consists of several materials: a series of cartoons, a facilitator's guide, which actually takes a facilitator very step-by-step through how to use the materials in different ways to adapt them. Another way that projects have been using the materials well is actually almost to have staff role play some of the market actors that are represented, and at times taking that a step further where they're actually project teams are bringing in new market actors into the stories themselves, or deciding how certain situations might unfold in their own contexts.